Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I've got a quick unboxing for you. Today we're going to take a look at Muc Off Tubeless Valves. In our case, we've got the 44 millimeter here, but they are also available in 60 millimeter as well as 80 millimeter. So these tubeless valves are widely regarded as some great tubeless valves. People using them for mountain biking, road biking. I will be using these on the Cervelo Aspero as I switch to tubeless. So let's just take a look at those. You can see we've got the valves there, as well as a valve cap remover and a variety of rubbers, as well as some stickers in there. If we flip over to the back, we can see, again, available in 44, 60, and 80 mil. I have picked up the red because I have a red Cervelo. We can see there's a wide variety, so depending on the color of your bike, you can grab one of those colors there. And if you're a real baller, you might want to go with the oil slicks. You know, if you have a stigmata or something like that, you might want to go that route. So they are 6061 machine aluminum stem and cap with a removable pressed valve core. There is more information on the website. They're supplied with a variety of rubber bases to optimize fit with multiple rim types. There is a 4 millimeter hex key slot for easy installation and removal, as well as includes valve core removal tool. Integrated is a spare alloy cap. So if you don't have a valve core removal tool, you can basically use that cap, put it on, and then you always have it with you just in case you have your cores leak. You can adjust. So let's just jump right into this guy, open them up. And take a closer look at what we've got inside. So as you can see, we've got the valves here. We've got the top piece here that is also machined, a good seal as well. You can see it's got Muc Off on the bottom here, as well as the rubberized seal, which you can switch off by simply sliding them out. If you have a square rim bed, you can utilize this guy here. And this one appears to be just a little more conal. And you can see this is conal as well, but it's got a two-step process. So depending on the rims you have, just select whichever one of these will work better. We've got a bunch of Muc Off stickers. In fact, we've got 4 of those. So if you're a sticker guy or girl, those will work. And this is the valve core removal tool. So what that'll do is if we take off the cap here, you'll see that we have the valve, and you can see it's sort of squared off on the one side. So all you have to simply do is get it over there, and you can see you just move it down, and you can simply loosen the core or tighten the core depending on what you're doing. If you're installing tubeless tires, what you will do is utilize this tool, if you don't already have one, to remove the core, and then you can inject the tubeless sealant into your rims, and you should be on your way. And again, the beauty of this is you can see that it is threaded, and all you simply do is, if we tighten that down, is you can simply attach it on the top. So when you're riding about, you will have no issues with changing your cores or adjusting your cores. And even though this, I will mention, is a 4 millimeter hex for easier removal, and I'll say that it makes it easier to remove, because I don't recommend tightening it down with that tool necessarily. It's better to hand tighten. The only thing I would do is, maybe if you're having a bit of an issue with it spinning, is just to seat it there and hand tighten, because if you go more than hand tighten, you have a danger of damaging your rims. All right, we're going to weigh these, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to weigh the 2 configurations. We're going to weigh one with the valve core removal tool and one with just the regular cap setup. So if you go with the valve core removal tool setup, you're looking at 11.48 grams. So let's take this guy off and we're going to switch caps. And that's going to drop us down to 10.77 grams. So you save just over half a gram, not terribly a lot. If you don't have a valve core removal tool on your multi-tool, I would probably just throw that cap on there. Given the extra weight that it is, it's not that big a deal, but that's up to you. That's just two of the different configurations that you can run. So overall, they are some fantastic looking valves. I will be putting again them on the Cervelo watch for that video. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see ya.